I woke up in a bed I don't remember climbing in, with a heart full of thunder and a head full of sin. Coffee on the stove, boots by the door, but that old flame of yours don't flicker no more. I tried to hold you, tried to stay still, but love slipped through like it always will. Like butter on a waterfall, melting too fast, sliding down the rocks of a love that couldn't last. I reached out for something that never stood tall. Now I'm standing here empty, like butter on a waterfall. We had dreams big as Texas, hearts wild as the wind, but promises are paper in a flood you can't defend. You kissed me like forever, then vanished like the rain. Now the silence in this valley drives a cowboy insane. You can't rope water or hold the sun. Some things are over before they've begun. Like butter on a waterfall, melting too fast, sliding down the rocks of a love that couldn't last. I reached out for something that never stood tall. Now I'm standing here empty, like butter on a waterfall. Now I ride alone past the ridge where we danced, still hear your laughter in the winds of romance, but it's gone like your shadow, long past the dawn. Ain't no use chasing what's already gone. Like butter on a waterfall, melting away, a sweet short memory I couldn't make stay. You were warm in my hands, then nothing at all, just a trace in the current, like butter on a waterfall. Yeah, some loves ain't meant to stick around, they just slip away, smooth as they came down.